Comes in here. You know, it is the winter time. The time to get greets and done. When everything is white. When everything is cool aside. Winter is here. Winter is here. Good morning to one and all present here. A new day means a fresh start with new opportunities. Let's greet this day with open arms. I am Jasmine and I am Mishti. We on behalf of Class 4D welcome you all to our assembly on the topic Winter is here, take good care. A good thought is always valuable in our life to lighten us and brighten our morning. Here comes Dimnu with a thought for the day. Good morning everyone. Thought of the day is, don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. I repeat, don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Meaning of the thought is, we should not be afraid to fail. We should learn from our mistakes and use that knowledge to move forward with a new beginning.
Ida, did you hear the morning news or read the newspaper?
No, I couldn't, as I was in a hurry getting ready for the school.
Oh, you needn't worry, as we have Rudra coming up with the latest news. Now, I would like to call Rudra to share the latest happening around the world. Good morning everyone. My name is Rudra Pratap Singh and I will be presenting the news today. International news. The United States asked Pakistan to take a decisive action against the terror groups, identifying India as a leading global power in its national security policy. US says it will deepen strategic partnership with India. Sri Lanka has said that it is working to create its own Aadhaar-like infrastructure for smooth delivery of government services. National news. Prime Minister dedicates the win in Himachal Pradesh and Gujarat to the people of these states and called for the promotion of youth in and outside BJP. Japanese and Indian professionals have started the tunnel testing work for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train. Now it's time for some sports news. Australia won back Ashes after defeating England by an innings in the third test at Perth. India beat Sri Lanka by 93 runs in the first T20 match held at Cuttack. This is India's biggest T20 victory till date. Weather report. Cold wave conditions continue to grip multiple parts of North India as mercury level dropped significantly across the region. Maximum temperature today will be 23 degrees and minimum temperature today will be 10 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Winter season may be dark and cold, but if you look closer, there's plenty of cold. Trees covered in snowy powder, kids with snow are fun and louder. Winter is the coldest season of the year. It occurs after autumn and before spring in each year. Sometimes it snows and we can have a snowball fight and build a snowman. In winter, the trees and plants rest. Some trees shed their leaves and small little birds and seeds lie sleeping in the soil until the spring comes. Around this time, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. This usually reverses slowly as the season progresses. Now winter is truly coming, so we must protect ourselves. Everyone wears thick woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. When we go out, we wear hats, scarves, gloves and boots.
People rarely come outdoors until daylight. Most sit indoors by the fireside in the mornings and evenings.
In winter, some animals hibernate. This means they go for a long sleep until the weather is warmer.
Now, my friends will give you few tips to stay healthy during winters. Wash your hands often with soap and water. Scrub them for 20 seconds and help in children to do the same. If soap and water are not available, use hand sanitizer.
Eat a healthy diet and nourishing food in the cold weather months. Another food items like date, papaya, banana and pomegranate are also beneficial.
In winters we stay inside more. We have warm houses to live in and warm food to eat. We can sit by the fire and drink hot chocolate yummy.
For winters, we can use warming food like mustard greens, garlic, clove, cinnamon, mushrooms.
Get the right amount for sleep every night. The average person needs 6 to 8 hours for sleep per night.
In the optimal amount of water, with the winter season, here it's more important than ever to consume the right amount of water for your health.
Exercise regularly. It is important to exercise regularly. Even if only for 15 minutes a day, get out and take a short walk and enjoy the cooler weather.
To defend your body, we should use good quality moisturizer, body lotion and coconut oil.
Get hot water. Shower is great during winters, but they cause damage to your skin. In order to avoid dry skin, take with lukewarm water.
Now Manya will recite the poem on winter. Winter is coming. What will you do? Sleep, said the bear. The cold season's room. Float, said the leaf. Right down from the tree. The wind in these branches is too much for me. Sing, said the frog. I shall drop into bed in the mud of this pond. I shall cover my head. Fly, said the bird. The summer is old. I am going south before it gets cold. Dig, said the chipmunk. A hole in the ground. Until spring comes, that's where I'll be found. Spring, said the caterpillar weaver. Go cool. Tired to the spring, I shall go to sleep soon. In the spring, said the moth, we shall start life anew. But when winter is coming, these things we must do, these things we must do. Thank you. Winter is a glorious time of the year. We think of our family, celebrations, holidays and the joy of music. Music adds color to our life. Here come the students of our class to lift our spirit with melodious songs on Winter Festival. His love, and wonders of His love.
Children, all will join, okay?
Dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh, over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Pleasant voices ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing the same song tonight! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh! But one horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Pleasant voices ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing the same song tonight! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh!
Now let's sing Hindi version. Hey, Ganti bajao,
हमारे शहर में
Santa Claus आ रहे हैं
उड़ती गाड़ी में घंटी बजाओ सारे शहर में Santa Claus आ रहे हैं उड़ती गाड़ी में घूमे 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 गलियारों में आया बड़ा दिन सब नाचे और झूमे घूमे 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 गलियारों में आया बड़ा दिन सब नाचे और झूमे
घंटी बजाओ
सारे शहर में Santa Claus आ रहे हैं उड़ती गाड़ी में घंटी बजाओ सारे शहर में Santa Claus आ रहे हैं उड़ती गाड़ी में
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one
Horse open sleigh.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And a happy New Year.
With a smile on your face, hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Friends, there is a surprise for you all. Who is there to meet you today? Any guesses? It's Santa Claus.
There are some certificates. Students, I know you all are very excited because holiday is just round the corner. But let's applause for the children who won some medals and certificates. Ma'am, may I request you to please come and do the honors? Samaira has won medal and this trophy in central level competition at the Abacus Center. Camlin Art Competition. Tegnur Kaur wins first prize. Mahin Kumar second prize. Manandeep Singh wins a third prize. And Rudra Pratap Singh and Jasnoor Khurana, they win consolation certificates. Big round of applause to all of them. Prize winners, you stand in one group with ma'am and get a nice picture clicked of all of you.
Wait, so set it.
Thank you, ma'am.
सारे शहर में मैंने पहली बार सुना है. I've never heard this song earlier and I quite enjoyed those 2-3 lines. So, what are the plans for the holidays? Some plans to go to Nani house, Dani house. Everybody's going. No plans. Okay. Great, great. So you all have a great time during the holidays. Have you all got some homework also? Teachers, have you given some homework? No, ma'am. I think we need to give them some homework. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. चलो ठीक है, नहीं देंगे, इस बार नहीं देंगे. The Big Good Assembly information. This was 4D. 4D Good Assembly, informative and enjoyable, of course. And Ghanti Bajao was the best part. Okay, so have a good time. Wish you a very happy Christmas and a very, very happy New Year. Enjoy yourselves, enjoy your holidays, come back rejuvenated, and we'll get back to our studies once again. Okay? Thank you.